Hey guys, have you seen that new movie Constipated? Well, it hasn't come out yet. Chill. You need to relax. Hold your applause. I know you can't contain your excitement. Enough. Take a seat. Sir, sit down.
Headshot.
That was uncalled for. No, I'm kidding. There's no actual audience here. So today I went to the library. Simmer down. You guys are a tough crowd. Let me tell you, the interior and exterior was just phenomenal. Like, you cannot imagine or fathom how beautiful the place is. Like, the level of respect, sophistication, and elegance. Oh my goodness. It was magnificent. All this magnificence and incredibility, I just was filled up. I just had to take a number. So I just had to visit their bathrooms and I had to take a number. Like, you can't fully evaluate or judge a place's reputation without visiting their bathrooms first. Disclaimer, for those of you who have thin skin, sensitive ears, or weak stomachs, please do not watch because you might throw up. It is disgusting, okay? You have been warned. So there were these three guys who walked in. I'm trapped in this stall. I'm dropping kids off the pool. And I hear this noise rumbling from like the stall walls. It was like earthquake Katrina.
I got a shit too. Damn, man, who's doing that? Up in that Domino's. Damn. Huh? Shit feels so good.
The Richter scale could not measure the magnitude. The vibrations reverberating through the bathroom walls. It was so powerful, the scale broke momentarily when they blew gas.
Damn!
Jesus, I'm ready. Take me. If a king farts, is it considered noble gas? They probably had the alphabet soup earlier that day because that was the biggest bowel movement ever. The whole experience was just traumatizing, and I felt mortified. My level of respect, admiration, and sophistication went from here to here in just seconds. You would not believe the damage my lungs sustained. I felt like I survived the most dangerous, unknown, unheard of earthquake in the entire mankind history. I almost died taking a number. If there ever was a movie about diarrhea, it would leak so soon because these three would be the main cast. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you want to see more stories, advice, tips on how to handle your life's next big hurdle, please like and subscribe. So tell me guys, when was the last time you smelled something so horrendous?